Hey, what's up, everybody? It is Odin here, driving and singing once again getting back to one of my favorites, The Animals, fronted by the great Eric Burden. I just recently did an Animals song, but I did a cover version of that song, and I felt kind of bad. I felt like I owed it to Eric Burden, who is one of my vocal icons, to do an actual Animals song done by the Animals. So yeah, we're going to do this one. It is a song that I've done at karaoke many a times, typically to a rousing response, which I always like. So hopefully I get the same response here. This one is We Gotta Get Out of This Place by the Animals. In this dirty old part of the city where the sun refused to shine, people tell me there ain't no use in trying. Now, my girl, you're so young and pretty, and one thing I know is true, yeah. You'll be dead before your time is due, I know it. Watch my daddy in bed dying, watch his hair been turning gray, yeah. He's been working and slaving his life away, oh yes, I know it. He's been working so hard, and I've been working too, babe, every night and day. Yeah, we gotta get out of this place. If it's the last thing we ever do, we gotta get out of this place. 'Cause girl, there's a better life for me and you. Now, my girl, you're so young and pretty, and one thing I know is true, yeah. You'll be dead before your time is due, I know it. Watch my daddy in bed and dying, watch his hair been turning gray, yeah. He's been working and slaving his life away, I know he's been working so hard. I've been working too, baby, every day, babe. Whoa, yeah. We gotta get out of this place. If it's the last thing we ever do, we gotta get out of this place. 'Cause girl, there's a better life for me and you. Somewhere, baby, somehow I know it. We gotta get out of this place. If it's the last thing we ever do, we gotta get out of this place. 'Cause girl, there's a better life for me and you. Leave me, baby, I know it, baby, you know it too. There you go, the great Eric Burden, the great Animals, and the great song, We Gotta Get Out of This Place. I hope you enjoyed that, as always. And until next time, it's Odin here. See ya.